Hello friends, I am Pankaj Tiwari. Welcome to our YouTube channel Live Student Classes 2022. Friends, today my class 4 is coming, and in the previous topic I taught the topic Roman number and whole number, and friends, today my mathematics topic is next topic commutativity rules of multiplication and addition. And in this section we see that the commutativity rule is follow or not follow. And friends, here we see that in the commutativity rule of addition, first we see that in addition, in addition 5 plus 3 is equal to 3 plus 5. 5 plus 3 is equal to 3 plus 5. Here we see that 5 plus 3 is equal to 8 and 3 plus 5 is equal to also 8. Then here the commutativity rule of addition is follow, but we see that the commutative rule is not follow on the subtraction, because the value of 5 minus 3 not equal to 3 minus 5. Here we see that why the subtraction rule is not follow. Then 5 minus 3 is equal to 2, but 3 minus 5 is equal to minus 2. 5 minus 3 is equal to 2, but 3 minus 5 is equal to minus 2. So that 5 minus 3 is not equal to 3 minus 5. Friends, here we see that 5 minus 3 is equal to 2, but 3 minus 5 is equal to minus 2. Here, so that 5 minus 3 is not equal to 3 minus 5. So commutativity rule is not follow on the subtraction, only follow in the addition. And next we see that in the multiplication, in the multiplication friends, in the multiplication rule of commutativity we see that 5 is equal to 3 is equal to 3 multiplied by 5. 5 multiplied by 3 is equal to 3 multiplied by 5. The value of 5 multiplied by 3 is 15. 3 into 5 is equal to 15. Friends, we see the another example of multiplication. 15 into 2 is equal to 2 into 15. This value is 30. This value is 30. So that here we see that 5 is equal to 3 is equal to 3 multiplied by 5. Both value are 15 is equal to 15. And another example, 15 multiplied by 2 is equal to 2 multiplied by 15. Both value is 30 and 30. Here we see that commutativity rule of multiplication, these value are equal, so here commutativity of multiplication is follow. But here also we see that commutativity rule of division is not follow. Why not follow? Here we see that some example. The commutativity rule of addition division not follow. In division, in division 5 divided by 3, 5 by 3, these value in the decimal 3 1 3, 1.666, इसकी वैल्यू ऐसे दिस वैल्यू इज इंक्रीजेज. 5 इज इक्वल टू 3 इज इक्वल 1.66 एंड 3 divided by 5, we see that 3 by 5 is equal to 0.6. Then finally we see that 5 divided by 3 is not equal to 3 divided by 5. 5 divided by 3 is not equal to 3 divided by 5. This value is 1.66 and this value is 0.6. Friends, we give the example in the division of in the commutativity rule. 5 divided by 3 is equal to 5 by 3. This value we find 1.666 and 3 divided by 5, this value 0.6. This value is 1.66 and this value is 0.6. So that here we see that in the division 5 divided by 3 not equal to 3 divided by 5, such that friends commutativity rule is only follow addition and multiplication. We see all the example of addition and multiplication, and also we see the example of subtraction and division. Finally, in the last we find the conclusion. Friends, the conclusion of commutativity rule. Commutativity rule is only follow on multiplication and addition. Friends, here commutativity rules is only follow multiplication and addition and not follow division and subtraction. And both example we see कि how multiplication and addition is follow and how division and subtraction is not follow. And here this rule is finished and we see the next rule, associativity law of multiplication and addition of whole number. दोस्तों, whole number is very important for all classes 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 because this is the base of the number system, and whole number system is actually based on the whole number. And here we see that associativity rules of addition and multiplication. Friends, our topic is associativity rules of addition and multiplication. What is the associativity rules of addition and multiplication? Here we prove and see some example. First, in addition, friends, in addition 2 plus 3 plus 4 is equal to 2 plus 3 plus 4. Friends, in addition 2 plus 3 plus 4 is equal to 2 plus 3 plus 4 bracket में. Friends, here these values also equal and we find the both values. Here 2 plus 3 plus 4 is equal to 3 2 5 4 9 and 2 plus 3, this bracket is open, 3 plus 4 is equal to 9. Here we see that 9 is equal to 9. So we understand that if 9 is equal to 9, then associativity rules is follow on the addition. And second, we see the example of multiplication. Multiplication. In the multiplication, friends, we see that example 6 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 3, 6 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 3. Here we see the example 6 multiplied by 5 is equal to 3 is equal to, how both are equal? Here we find both the values. We open the small bracket, 6 multiplied by 3 is equal to 6 multiplied by 5 3, 6 5 ja 30, 33 ja 90, this value is 90, this value is also 90, here 90 is equal to 90. Then friends, both value are equal, so we understand that associativity rules of multiplication is follow on the multiplication rule. But here we also know that the associativity rules is not follow in the subtraction and division. We see some example subtraction and division, why the associativity rule not follow. Why associativity rule is not follow on division? In subtraction, here we see that associativity rules is not follow in subtraction, because we see some example 6 minus 5 minus 3 is equal to 6 minus 5 5 minus 3. Here we see that both value, we open the small bracket, 6 minus 5 is equal to 1 minus 3, here 6 small bracket minus 2, here we see that this value is minus 2 and this value is 4. Then we see that minus 2 is not equal to 4. Friends, here when we solve, we take the example of subtraction. 6 minus 5 minus 3 is equal to 6 minus 5 5 minus 3. Then this value is minus 2 and this value is plus 4. Then we understand that associativity rules is not follow, because in subtraction, because 6 minus 5 minus 3 is not equal to 6 minus 5 5 minus 3. And here we see that in the division, in division 6 divided by 5 divided by 3 is equal to 6 divided by 5 divided by 3. Here we see that 6 by 5 by 3 is equal to 6 by 5 by 3. This value is first, we solve the small bracket, because in the BODMAS system, we know that first we solve the small bracket. स्मॉल ब्रैकेट 6/5 वैल्यू, वन पॉइंट टू डिवाइडेड बाई 3 एंड 6 डिवाइडेड बाई 5 डिवाइडेड बाई 3, 1.66. Friends, here we see that when we solve both the values of division, this value is not equal. 1.3 divided by 3 not equal to 6 divided by 1.66. So here we see that the associativity rule is only follow on addition and multiplication. Associativity rule is not follow on subtraction and division. Here we see that in the subtraction and division both values not equal. So we find the conclusion. This rule is conclusion. Associativity rules is only follow addition and multiplication. This is not follow on subtraction and division. Friends, next rule is distributive rule. We next rule discuss distributivity of multiplication over addition. Distributivity of multiplication over addition. Distributivity of multiplication over addition. In this rule, friends, we see that 6 multiplied by 5 plus 3 is equal to 6 multiplied by 5 plus 6 multiplied by 3. Friends, this rule is distributivity of, जिसमें here we see that the 6 multiplied by 5, 6 is distribute both on 5 and 3 in order. 6 multiplied by 5 plus 3 is equal to 6 multiplied by 5 plus 6 multiplied by 3. We find both value. 6 multiplied by 5 plus 3 8, 6 8 ja 48, and here 6 5 ja 30 plus 6 3 ja 18. This value is also 48. Here we see that 48 is equal to 48, so that the distributivity of multiplication over addition is follow. Then both value are equal. This is proof that distributive rule is follow on over addition. Friends, now we discuss most important topic, identity of addition and identity of multiplication. This is the topic which is again and again asked in the competitive examination and academic examination both, and this topic is very important for all academic student and competitive student both. Then we discuss the topic. Identity of addition and identity of addition and multiplication. This topic is very important. First we see that identity for addition. Identity for addition. In this rule, Friends, we always know that, and we read continuously in lower class to higher class. 0 is the identity of addition. Any number which we add in the 0, the value of number itself. Here we see some example. 0 is the identity for addition. Zero is the identity for addition. We see some example. Any number of our number system, we add in the 0, the result it find the number itself. Here 1 plus 0, the result is itself 1. 2 plus 0, result is 2. 3 plus 0, result is 3. 100 plus 0, result is 100. 50 plus 0, result is 50. Friends, here we see that 0 is the identity for addition. Any number we add in the 0, the number is, the value of this number is itself. Here 1 plus 0 is equal to 1, 2 plus 0 is equal to 2, 3 plus 0 is equal to 3. And next, identity for multiplication. Identity for multiplication. Friends, we know that 1 is the identity of multiplication. Any number in the world, when we multiplied by 1, the result is the number itself only. We see some example. Identity for multiplication. 3 multiplied by 1, 3. 2 multiplied by 1, 2. 4 multiplied by 1, 4. 6 multiplied by 1, 6. 5 multiplied by 1, 5. 3 multiplied by 1, 3. Friends, here we see that 1 is the identity of multiplication. 1 is the identity of multiplication. Friends, in the identity of addition and multiplication, we see that 0 is the identity of addition and 1 is the identity of multiplication. We give some example. And friends, next we discuss the most important topic, factors and multiples. Friends, in our mind always we think that what is the factor and its multiple. Friends, today we explained very in detail what is the factor and its multiple. Friends, here we see the next topic. Factors and multiples. Factors and its multiples. Friends, our topic is factors and its multiple. First, we can say that a number is a multiple of each of its factor. Friends, we can A number is a multiple of its factor. Every number is a multiple of its factor. Because we see the example, we take the number 6. This factor is 2 into 3. This factor is 2, 3, 1. We take the number of 6. This factor is 2, 3 and 1. And in the above we see that we can say that a number is a multiple of each of its factor. And here we see that 2 is the multiple of 6, 3 is the multiple of 6 and 1 is the also 2 3 is 6, 3 2 is 6, 1 6 is 6. Every factors its multiple is 6. Here we see, here we have 2 3 is 6, 3 2 is 6 and 1 6 is 6. Every number is the factor of its multiples. Second, one is a factor of every number. This is the very normal topic. 1 is a factor of every number. Here we take some number 6. This factor is also 1, 2, 3, 12. This factor is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 12, 6. Here we see that 1 is in the both the number 6 and 12. Next topic, every number is a factor of itself. Every number is a factor of itself. Every number is a factor of itself. Next, every factor of a number is an exact division of that number. Every factor of a number is an exact every factor of a number is an exact divisor of that number. Friends, here we see most important topic, factor and its multiple. फ्रेंड्स, आपको आज का क्लास कैसी लगी, आप जो है इसको कमेंट सेक्शन में बताइए और लाइक बटन को भी दबाइए, बेल आइकन को भी दबाइए और ऐसे ही मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट क्लास मैं आपके लिए कंटिन्यू लाता रहूँगा, जिसमें कि आपको चाहे वो एकेडमिक स्टूडेंट हों चाहे कॉम्पिटिटिव स्टूडेंट हों, सभी को बहुत ही ज़्यादा फ़ायदा होने वाला है। क्योंकि दोस्तों मैथ तो सभी पढ़ते हैं लेकिन लोगों को फंडामेंटल नहीं क्लियर होता है। मैं लगातार केवल फंडामेंटल्स पे ही अपनी क्लास बना रहा हूँ। तो दोस्तों नेक्स्ट क्लास भी जो भी मेरी होगी सब फंडामेंटल पर बेस्ड होगी। मैथ का एक एक चीज़ आपको छोटी से छोटी चीज़ पता होगी मैथ की, ऐसा कोई भी टॉपिक नहीं होगा जो आपको क्लियर नहीं होगा। फ्रेंड्स नमस्कार, मैं पंकज तिवारी बहुत बहुत आपका स्वागत करता हूँ। नमस्कार।